What if I told you this tiny gadget claims to remove pesticides, bacteria, wax, and dirt from your fruits in just a few minutes? Sounds incredible, right? But here's the real question. Is PurePod actually worth it, or is it just another viral internet product? According to the official PurePod website, the device uses a chemical-free water purification process to help clean fruits and vegetables without soaps or filters. Just place it in water, press a button, and let it run for a few minutes. The company also claims it's reusable, portable, waterproof, and backed by a money-back guarantee. But here's where things get interesting. Outside the official PurePod website, opinions are divided. Some buyers say they like the convenience and feel their produce comes out cleaner. Others question whether the dramatic brown water shown in advertisements is actually dirt from the produce or simply a reaction caused by the device itself. There is currently no clear evidence proving PurePod is a scam, but there also isn't strong independent scientific proof confirming every claim made in the ads. That's why many reviewers recommend taking the marketing with a grain of salt and doing your own research before buying. So, here's the lesson. Just because a product goes viral doesn't automatically make it revolutionary. Sometimes the biggest surprise isn't what the ad shows, it's what you discover after looking beyond the marketing. Would you trust PurePod or stick with traditional washing? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.